Hi, I'm Peyton. And I'm Mackenzie, and today we will show you storm safety. Part of this video is to show you supplies and what to do in 4 types of storms: blizzards,
thunderstorms,
tornadoes,
hurricanes.
So first, blizzards. For a blizzard, some supplies you will need will include water for at least 3 to 7 days. Canned food for, again, at least 3 to 7 days. Since we're on food, you will need non-perishable packaged food, cans or baby food or for the elderly, snack foods, non-electric can openers, and paper plates and plastic utensils. You'll also need blankets and pillows, clothes, seasonal rain gear, and sturdy shoes and coats and gloves. Gloves. Beautiful, beautiful gloves. A first aid kit, special items, anything for the elderly or your young babies that were just born. Yeah. And moisture wipes and your hygiene items, and a flashlight with batteries. It's mesmerizing. And a radio, so you can hear the radio. What you need to do in a blizzard: you need to stay inside, close off unneeded rooms to save heat, stuff like towels or rags and cracks underneath doors to conserve heat, once again. Cover the windows at night. Eat and drink to prevent dehydration. Wear layers of loose-fitting, lightweight, and warm clothing. So that's what you need to know for a blizzard. And don't forget, stay hydrated and don't go outside because you might die of frostbite, so yeah.
Next, I'm going to tell you about thunderstorms. A thunderstorm can involve lightning, so be careful of metals and stuff. Number 1, you need to find a shelter immediately. Number 2, you need to stay away from windows. Also, don't touch any metals or electronics that plug into the walls because of lightning. Most important, just stay inside because it's really dangerous.
Don't go in trees either.
Yeah, stay away from water outside in puddles and stuff. Supplies you will need include water, canned food for if the power goes out, flashlights, and a battery-powered radio. If outside, stay away from trees or you will get zapped.
And you'll either turn into the Flash or you'll die. Next, I'm going to tell you about tornadoes and what you need to do to survive a tornado so you don't die. 1, you need to get into shelter immediately. Underground shelters are more safe, but if you have a gym that is for safety, then go there. Keep inside shelter until all signs of the storm is gone. If you don't have a shelter, follow these processes to survive. Number 2, be on the ground floor, even in apartments. Number 3, try to be in a closet or bathtub. It's the safest place. You would need pillows and blankets to protect you from the debris. You'll need a protein bar, a first aid kit, flashlights, a battery or crank-powered weather radio, a blanket to cover your body, and a hatchet to help remove debris if needed, and if possible. Don't forget your bottled water.
Next, I'm going to tell you about hurricane survival. Most times, hurricanes move slowly towards the land, so you would have time to evacuate. But if you end up staying for some odd reason, if you decide to stay, this is what you need to do. Board up windows, take anything valuable inside in a safe place, put small valuables in plastic bags, try to cut down dead trees, but if you don't, just make sure to stay away from that part of the house. You'll also have to have food and water. Also, all pets need to go with you because hurricanes can be very deadly. You need to have a sleeping bag, pillows, blankets, that kind of stuff. No candles because if debris falls down, your house could catch on fire because the hurricane is made of water, but it could like stop and then your house would be on fire. You need to have a safe room, and you also need to have a battery-powered radio. What a beautiful day. There's a hurricane coming very slowly. I think I might just go take a swim.
At last, a little other safety tips for a zombie apocalypse.
Zombies are gross and weird, and we will help you prepare for them. You must have
More than 2 people, if not, you're done for.
you'll also need a shotgun.
A machete so you can hack away at their brains.
You'll need transportation, but that is optional because you might need to get away from the zombies faster.
Clean food and drinks that isn't contaminated by zombies. Green beans or water.
You'll also need blankets and pillows for the nights when you're cold and you're scared that the zombies are gonna get you.
Also need clean clothes for any bloody messes, like bandanas so you can stop bleeding eternally, and swimsuits so you can go swimming, and clothes so you don't look like a zombie.
You'll also need things for babies, children, and elderly, such as Life Alert, even though there is no hospitals because they might be eaten by zombies.
You'll also need building skills, which you can go to your local library, which is probably closed from the zombies, and get your very own Minecraft handbook.
You'll also need the ability to run and shoot stuff because you will be running a lot from the zombies. Thank you for watching our weather safety video.